Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural remedy that would help you to get rid of mouth wrinkles, all those wrinkles around this place, sometimes around the nose area, that actually give you this old looking stuff. So this treatment is just going to help you get rid of all of that, and you are going to be loving your results. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my wrinkle treatment, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, so let's dive into this video. The very first ingredient for mouth wrinkles will be Fuller's Earth or Multani mitti. Now Fuller's Earth clay powder is one anti-aging ingredient that helps so much in retaining moisture onto the skin. It also helps to tighten up a loose and sagging skin. It leaves the skin looking younger and radiant. It also remove wrinkles, fine lines, and pigmentation. It is so great in age-related matters. Alright, so the next ingredients we're going to be needing rice powder. Okay, now you can take your rice and then you put it into a blender and then you blend it. Okay, you get rice powder from that. Okay, so rice powder is one anti-aging and anti-wrinkle property, and it contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. It's tighten up a close and a large and open pores, and it reduces the appearances of blemishes and white and black heads. It also helpful for the skin because it leaves the skin glowing and younger. The next ingredients we're going to be needing is pure gram flour, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the name and where I got this from, so you guys can do the same. Okay, I hope you saw that. Alright, gram flour is one recipe or ingredients that helps to glow, polish up the skin, remove inflammations, and it also get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. It leaves the skin smooth and it tightens up the large pores. Alright, it removes age-related problems, it get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, so the very last ingredients we're gonna be needing for this treatment will be cucumber. Now cucumber contains a lactic acid and antioxidants that helps to retain moisture onto the skin. It also helps to polish up the skin, removing inflammations and pigmentations. Using cucumber would leave your skin looking youthful and radiant. Alright, so it will also remove wrinkles, which is our main target, and it will get rid of fine lines. Alright, so now let's prepare our ingredients together. So we're gonna be needing 1 tablespoon of the rice powder. Okay, so we're gonna be taking a whole lot of that into the bowl. Now we're gonna be turning in the Fuller's Earth into the bowl. Alright, this is about half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth, and also we're going to be needing the pure gram flour, and we're going to be needing half tablespoon of that. Okay, now we're just going to shift that aside, and we'll be needing cut of this cucumber, okay, because we actually don't need it much. Okay, so we're just going to cut this in pieces so that the blender can actually blend it really well and smooth. Okay, so that's why I'm actually cutting it. Okay, now let's get a blender. So we're going to be transferring this whole cucumber into a bowl, a blender, and I'm gonna go blend all of this, and I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, so here is my blended cucumber, and I'm gonna be scooping in 2 tablespoons of that into the bowl. Have to mix and stir all this ingredient together. Alright, so the ground flour does not actually mix very fast, so you have to give it time to stir and mix this all ingredients really well. Alright, so that is a great consistency. Alright, so how you're going to be applying this, you're going to apply this treatment area. Okay, you're just going to spread it under your cake. Spread it under and on top of it, under and on top. Now you don't necessarily need to scrub this. You make sure that you spread it really well. Okay, after spreading this treatment, you just leave it there for like 1 more minute at your mouth area. Okay, under your mouth and on top of it and the side of it and all of that stuff. You spread it at your mouth area. Okay, it's gonna go dry. Now when it's dry, you can go wash this off, okay, with a normal room temperature water. Alright, for this treatment you can actually store it for just 3 days, okay, in your refrigerator, and after that you should dispose of it, okay, because it's gonna go bad when you store it more than that. Alright, and then you have to apply it every evening at your mouth area, and in a couple of weeks all the wrinkles and fine lines at that side is just going to go off. And you also have to remember to massage your face, okay, because massage is the key in getting rid of wrinkles alongside with this remedy. Okay, so basically that is just a very simple way in which you are going to be getting rid of all of those wrinkles and fine lines going on at your mouth area or under your eye. Alright, this treatment you can also apply it on your face, and it's just going to be superb. It's going to be bomb. It's going to be okay and good for your skin. Okay, so, and also you have to be consistent and you have to be patient. Alright, because the key to natural ingredients is consistency and patience. Okay, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please share the video and turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me a question, please drop that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and flawless. Bye, guys.